Today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on your Honda Odyssey. If you are new here, I'm an actual working tech that makes how-to videos that are straight to the point, and all I'm trying to do is save you some money. You're going to focus on that screen there and this button right here. Doesn't matter if the engine's running or not. So first thing we're going to do is you're going to press this button until you get to the service screen. You're going to push and hold. It's going to be about 10 seconds. Now you're going to use these buttons here and scroll to reset. And you're going to press that button again, and it's reset. Once you go back through, oil life is at 100%. And that's how you reset the maintenance light on your Honda Odyssey. If this video helped you at all, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel if you like how-to content, and leave a comment down below what else you'd like to see.